Hi everyone, welcome to my another video of Siemens NX11 design practice. In this series, I will demonstrate one of my first drawing which is a part of the project about drawing a complete assembly of a table lamp. Having come from inventor background, at the beginning of my practice, as you can see, I really did struggle a lot. The main struggle part is, as I'm doing right now, is a constraint. Obviously, it is same as inventor. At the beginning, you have to make the sketch, but the problem is the constraints signs very significantly different than inventor. So for this drawing, once I made the constraint, at the top part I have to make a datum plane to draw the M3 hole in it. To make the datum plane, as I'm currently drawing now, is that I choose the tangent option, then I choose the reference axis at z-axis, where I got option to revolve it 360 degree from the automatic point it showed before. That's how I got the perfect position for drawing the M3 hole. Once I draw the point where I will make the hole, I have to constrain it as well. What I have learned recently, which I haven't really covered previously, is the parametric property of the drawing, and Siemens NX11 is very efficient at it. To make the drawing perfect parametric, you need to blend it through number of coordinates and dimensions. Also, you can assign some formula in it, which I will cover in my next video. Now, there are some difficulties in NX11. There obviously, my point is, there are some negative side and positive side of NX11 as well. What I found is, coming from Autodesk Inventor background, is that Inventor is very straightforward for a first-time beginner, and NX11 is more suitable for people who have got already background for a number of years or for some time in other drawing software. Then the transition gets pretty easy, I would say. Back to my video that I have drawn the datum, and I found I did draw the whole point, and on that whole point I have drawn the M3 hole for the screw. The good thing of the NX11 is that it is more suitable for electromechanical design, especially if the components are from Siemens, where there are standard parts library where you can get ready-made parts created by the Siemens or from someone else, and it is get quite useful when you make the assembly with lots of components. As I said already, it's from Siemens obviously, but it's possible to incorporate the library with third party as well. I am almost end of my video. Now the next part is the edge blend, which in Inventor, obviously the same thing in different name. It's in Inventor. Inventor